Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update the software on your Mac in macOS Mojave. Click Go, Application. Click System Preferences. Click Software Update. Checking for updates. Click Update Now. Click Download and Restart. Downloading new updates started. Click Restart. Software updated successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.